Hi, this is Leanne with Vision RV, and I'm shooting a live video of the 2022 Fortis River Cardinal Luxury 390 FBX. It's got a 64-gallon freshwater tank, which is really nice. Sleeps up to 6 people, 3 slide outs, 2 awnings, king bed. But wanted to take a quick little stroll. So there you can put your generator, and there's your batteries, and you have an extra spot for your extra battery if you want, because of course this thing has solar panels, so it helps generate, so an extra battery would be useful. Your propane's in there. Here you got this big beautiful through and through storage, which is heated. Like you can see the vent over there, so it is heated. Will it keep things like, you know, from not freezing? Probably not, but it is heated, which is really nice. Big beautiful door, and as you look, the stairs tuck away really nicely. And they fold down really easy as well. But we're gonna take a quick little look. So there's one awning and there's the other. Of course, you have this really nice L.E.D lighting, which lights up on underneath both. Here, a nice little surprise is your outdoor entertainment center. Right underneath, so you can bring out those camping chairs and have an outdoor movie night. You got your ladder for easy access and your hitch. Now keep in mind, don't pull anything terribly heavy. Maximum capacity is 300 pounds on these. That's your maximum, so, but it is there and available. There's your power outlet, of course. Extra storage. Got this nice smooth finishing too, which is nice. And that's your through and through on your other side, and an additional propane, and your leveling kit, of course. Now let's take a look inside, because I know you're just as excited as I am. I really do like the layouts of these. So as you can see, it's not white, it's gray. It's like a grayish light color brown, which is really nice. So right off the bat, you have a bathroom. Right off of the bat, like right out the door, you got this beautiful bathroom with a whole lot of storage in it. Like you got storage up there, and then in here is your washer and dryer hookups. So you can use this as storage, or you can put a washer and dryer in there. Your fan. So this opens and closes your fan and controls the speed, and your fan is up there. Look at how tall these ceilings are. Like a giant can be in this bathroom. You got a sink in there and And of course your toilet, which is not plastic, it's porcelain. So that's really nice as well. You got water heater access here, of course, and then your tanks there. Ceiling lights and bath lights. So that's right off of the door. So if you have company or grandkids or anything like that, they don't have to traipse through this whole place. You get a bathroom right off of there. Then you come into the living room, and it's not, everybody thinks this is leather, but it's not really leather. You got two awesome recliners right here. And of course they each got a foam port on each side. So you don't have to fight that way. You got your light buttons here and your for your accents. Nice little slide right here with your fold out couch. Easy to fold this couch out. It's super easy to fold this couch out. And just tuck it up. Super easy to fold the couch out in case you have guests that just don't want to leave because your trailer's so awesome. And then you got this lovely lighting right here, right over top of the couch. You have your blackout blinds too, which is really lovely. Beautiful big fireplace, which brings, you know, nature back in on those cold days where you don't want to be outside. Plug-ins on the side with a little extra storage here, and then outlets for your foam ports there. Another couch right off of the big main slide, which is really nice as well. Then you got your kitchen table here, and of course you got the extender right there, and then your kitchen table, your kitchen chairs, as always, has the underneath there for magazines, games, cards, whatever you want to do there. And then you got this huge fridge, this nice big residential fridge with two freezers on the top and then your fridge part on the bottom. Nice big huge residential fridge and freezer. A lot of stuff you can put in there. But what I really like is that because the kitchen is in the rear, you have this fantastic pantry with motion sensor lighting. So that's really nice too. Like, look at the space in this pantry. Just beautiful. Nice, huge farm style kitchen sink with the two sinks, one big one, one little one, with of course your residential sprayer there. Swivels back and forth, so you can do a lot of dishes in this, and it's stainless steel, which is just fantastic. Nice solid countertop, 4 burners on your stove, and then on your oven is so huge you can bake a whole turkey in that oven. Of course, then too, you got your massive microwave as well. It's a convection microwave, so if you don't want to use the oven, you can use your microwave. You got all of this storage, all of this huge deep storage in this entire kitchen, including down below. Nice, beautiful storage area. Foam port on the side there. And what I really like about this too is that there's, if you can see, the floor is so easy to clean. Just sweep it and you mop it. It's so easy to keep clean. And because it's not white, you're not going to see a whole bunch of dirt. And it looks just lovely in here. And then you got your lights, your pocket lights on there and there, as well as there. And a beautiful ceiling fan too. Now, keep in mind, The lights aren't on in here. I'm just pointing that out. The lights aren't on in here. And we have one curtain closed already and one that's halfway closed. And this is how much light you get. All of this natural light. You have a fan up here too. So then, right off of there, you follow the stairs. There's your bathroom, your second bathroom. You follow the stairs. Here's your control panel. This controls your slides, your power, everything like that. That's your control panel there. Then when we go into here, of course, there you see your little AC fan heater. Right there, you got a big, beautiful TV in your bedroom as well. And then you got a nice dresser right here, 3-drawer dresser. And the drawers are really nice and big. King size bed. Sorry, don't mind that. Or the TV box. Oh, this is not good. King size bed, of course. And then you also have storage in here too for whatever you need to store in there as well. Huge, beautiful pocket door too. Nice big, huge pocket door. And then in here you got more storage for whatever you need. And then you have this big, beautiful front bathroom. His and her sinks. Beautiful countertop. Beautiful window. And more storage in here. And then 2 wardrobe. And more storage. And then a huge, huge shower. With, of course, another porcelain toilet so it can handle those harsh chemicals. And then you got this big, beautiful shower. Residential shower head. So you're not using those little baby ones. Lots of pockets and shelves in here so that you can put stuff in here. Skylight in there too for those extra tall people. And then you got a seat. You got a seat right here as well. So you can sit in this. Is 1, 2. It's got a little bit of a lip as well. So it's nice being able to step in and step out. Huge big mirror towel racks with that window. This is like a dream bathroom. So, and you got this beautiful rough wooding edging on the sides of everything too, which is really nice. No white. This is all like tannish gray color with the dark wood. So 2 bathrooms, big beautiful living room with your fireplace, rear kitchen with all that kitchen counter spots, and a huge beautiful pantry. You got shelving up there so you can decorate it all you want up there. It's definitely worth coming to check out with that big front bathroom. This is Leanne with Vision RV. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. When you're ready to come on and check this out for yourself, by all means, give me a shout, 780-977-2138. I am so looking forward to meeting you in person. Have a wonderful day.